Hello and welcome to the vlog, guys. I'm currently in Kerava to pick up some stuff from Nico. He's living in Kerava and I'm on my way to Hollola to his shop. The plan for today is to weld the oil pan, so that's what we will do today. Now I have cleaned the area where we need to weld, so now it's time to start welding and try to fix it with this. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't start burning, but yeah, let's do it. It's done, hopefully. Hopefully. So that's actually where I have been welding. You can see it over there. Now the oil pan is fixed and I think it's sealed. So now I'm gonna tighten the oil plug. And then we're gonna fill the engine with some oil to see if it's actually sealed as it should. So yeah, I only need one, but I don't know which one. I need a funnel. I don't want to pour oil from this can without any funnel, because then I will miss everything. Behind you. Now I'm checking the oil level to see how much I'm putting in there, because this engine takes about, is it 15-16 liters of oil, so it's quite a lot of. And it's now in minimum, as you see on this dipstick. This one is specially made for this engine. You see the normal value is over here, but this one takes this much oil. And the oil pan is expanded, made bigger, so that's why it is. Now we have enough oil in the engine, so that's good. And we don't have any leaks yet. So that's also good. A mission accomplished. So you who aren't familiar with my videos or my vlogs and what I'm doing, I've been building a lot of things on this race car, and I also have a race car on my own, which you saw on my channel page. But yeah, over here on this car I have made this intercooler piping, welding that, and also I have made all the fixed points over here in the front, and I have made the exhaust, I have made the exhaust manifold, and the oil catch can, and a lot of wiring I have done on this car. And floor pan I have been welding some stuff in, and also the rear of the car I have made the fuel lines, and yeah, really a lot of things on this car. Yeah, so, and this is Nico Pesanen's car, Findrift, you can see it up on the wall over there, findrift.com. This is his R32, and the estimated horsepower in this car is above 1000 horsepower, so it's really a high powered car. And over here beside you can see the wrapped car. That's his other race car. That's Nissan Silvia S14 with a S15 front. Strawberry S14 they call them, I think. Yeah. And this is quite new to him. He bought it last summer with an LS3 with a compressor, and it's a really reliable car. This is a new build. It has been staying really a long time. It hasn't been driven for I think 3 or 4 years. This is quite an unusual car because this is a R32, which also is a 4-door. So this is kind of drift taxi. And yeah. So hopefully this summer, or actually this car will be running this summer, and it's just some final touches to do to this car still. It's like fix some bumpers, fix some other small parts. You have to connect the intercooler, mount it, but it needs to get painted, some stuff over here before. And other things to do is, it's throttle wire, some stuff in the inside of the car. But otherwise it's quite, we have had this car engine running, but we didn't have any cooling liquid in it then, so we didn't have it to run for a long time. But now it's suitable to have to keep tight, to try it out. So yeah, please go check out his homepage, check out his Instagram, and follow him on Facebook, and follow me also, that would be good. Head over to my channel and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, this is the end of this vlog. The oil leak is fixed. Actually the crack for why it was leaking from the beginning is because the engine had been transported in a wrong way, and it's been laying on the oil pan, and that's why it cracked the oil pan. But it was the 3rd time I was welding it, and now it's finally sealed. So yeah, good. Now it's time to head home. See you in next vlog. Bye.